Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out. If you have a Candy brand dryer and you're getting an E5 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to fix it, so I have a little bit of bad news for you because this E5 error is it's a temperature sensor error. So there's something wrong with the temperature sensor or with the control board that interacts with the temperature sensor or something like that. And you're almost certainly going to need to have a technician come out and fix that. However, there's one thing you can do before calling the technician, which is whenever you get these sensor issues or these electronic issues, it's always a good idea to do a hard restart on the machine before you do that. So to do that, we just want to turn the machine off and then disconnect it from power completely, either unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit and leaving it disconnected from power for a full minute. Once we do that, we can reconnect power, turn it back on, and try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. And if it does, like I said, you're going to need to call a technician for this one because it's a temperature sensor that's going to need to be replaced or checked, or even the control board. So anyways, hope this helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.